Hello friends, today in this video we will learn how can we record our video while presenting something on our mobile screen, and how can we write something on our mobile screen when we are presenting or giving some presentation, or when we are taking some online classes, because it is very important when we take online classes or present our paper or whatever during some conference or webinar. Then we want to make highlight some of our key terms or some important features. Then it is necessary to write something on the screen or highlight the on the screen. So let us learn how to record our video while presenting, and how can we write on our mobile screen. We will done this in two ways. First, we will done it without the help of any particular software, and after that we will use any particular software to record our video and to write on mobile screen. First, without the help of any particular software, we have to enable some of our mobile settings. For this we have to go on developer mode. What we want to do it, basically, if we have to tap on our screen, then the tab must be seen to everyone. So let us click on settings to my phone, and then I click on about phone. After that I go to software information, and then I have to click on build number 7 or 8 times. It may be different for some particular mobiles. I click here. No, it is asking for my identity. I give it. No, developer mode has been enabled. We can see. I once again go back. After about phone, we can see one new option, developer options. If I click on this, then there are lot of options, but we have to search screen tab. Yes, it is here. Show tabs. I enable this, and we can also enable pointer location, but currently we are leaving it, and we just enable show tabs. Now when I tap something on the screen, my finger on the screen, then you can see it. Now while presenting, this is very important feature, and we can present it by tapping, and we can mark some terms or particular keywords by tapping on that particular word. So let us try to present something. For this I go to Google Slides, which is already installed on my mobile. There is some PPT. Now I rotate my mobile. Put the screen here. Now if we tap on particular, we enable the presentation mode. Present on this device. This is some particular paper I have presented in conference. If I tap here, then the term will be highlighted and it will go to next page. So in this way we can use this. Where on the screen I will tap it, it will shown to all of us. So in this way we can present our screen by using these options. Now I exit from here. Now if you want to done it with the help of any particular software, then I have to go on Play Store. And I have to search a software Draw on Screen. Then this software will come for us, and there are many software we can use, but currently I am using Draw on Screen. Well, you will open first time, you can download it from here. As I have already loaded, I open it. it is on my screen and I can use it from here. For using this, I have to enable this eye. Now I can write on my screen by using this brush. There are many settings we can change according to our need. So in this way we can write on screen. We can also undo it by clicking on this. We have also an eraser and sorry, one more software is enabled. I cross it. It is enabled, it is under that particular. So I close this eye. If you want to highlight some of my particular icon, then enable the eye. I can use this. After disabling the eye, we can use other software, otherwise it will be on, it will behave as an writing pad or color pad. Now if you want to remove this toolbar from our screen, then we can click on this. Now let us try to use this in our presentation. For this, I once again go to slides. I open the slide. I rotate once again my mobile and make the use of this particular toolbar. If I want to write something, enable this eye. If I want to highlight this title, then I make to small the tip, then I can do it. There is also an eraser. We can use this by erasing this, or we can use just undo. If you want to present, we can click on present mode. Now we want to present on this device. If we want to use draw on screen, then I have to enable this eye, and we can use this drawing pad. I raise it. I can write anything. If you want to write on screen, I can write today we are learning video recorder. Whatever I want to write, I can write on this our screen. So in this way we can record our video, and we can also write on the mobile screen. I go back. If I want to use all other options, then we have to disable this eye and click. Now how can we record our screen and our video? For this we have to download, and for this we have to record a particular software of which can record our screen and also video from the Play Store. For I have go to on Play Store and we search here free screen recorder. Now we can see there are very many software. Currently I am using this particular X video recorder. With the help of this I can also record the video and also my entire screen. Currently I am recording this video with the help of this software. Now I close it. You can download it freely from Play Store. If I go to settings and I want to use screen recorder, then I have to enable this camera from here. We can also use its inbuilt brush to write on the screen. So let us learn how can we use this particular software brush. This is on our screen also. These are the particular setting of this particular brush, and I can write anything. We can undo it. We can use in the presentation also. So there are a lot of options to record our screen and to and write on the screen while taking classes or presenting some paper or anything during the conference webinar. So friends, I hope you will got all the information regarding recording the video and writing on the screen. You must use it too in your teaching and learning process. Thank you very much.